So this is the small town of Candelaria, about 12 kilometres from the capital of Tenerife, Santa Cruz, and a charming little town, right, traditional old seaside resort, a bit like the Canaries used to be 30 odd years ago. This is the main street of Candelaria and the town hall and the promenade and the beach. And there's a little monument here to the lady fishermen called Mujeres Pescadores y el Mar. So the women of the fish and the sea. And a little bit of the marina here.